everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to email Old Navy customer service. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to get in touch with the Old Navy customer service via email, then first open up a web browser. Go ahead and open up your email service provider that is associated with Old Navy. Soon after you open up your email inbox, go to the top left-hand corner and click on the Compose button. In the new message text box appearing on the bottom right, type in custserv@oldnavy.com. Once you type in the email address, in the subject text box, type in why you are trying to contact the customer service on Old Navy. After you are done typing in the subject, go to the next text field and type in why you are trying to reach out to them. After typing in your information, click the send button, and that's how you can easily email your Old Navy customer service. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.